Morning everyone. Today we are going to study chapter 3, types of matrices. In our previous chapter we have already studied about the what is a matrix and the order of matrix. Okay, now in this video first we start with the recall of matrix. So as you know that matrix can be defined as an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. So we can say that if A, we are having a matrix, so matrix A can be represented by like A11, A12, A13 and dash 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 A1n, A21, A22, A23 and dash dash A2n, and here we will have AM1, AM2, AM3 and this is AMN. So we can say we are having a matrix A which have the order m by n. Okay, अगर हमें इसे मैट्रिक्स एग्जाम्पल अगर हम लेते हैं, if we take a example, so we can say suppose we are having the information regarding the number of men and women worker in 3 factories. So here we have first, second, third. Here we have 3 factories. Here we can write men and here we can write women. Okay, women. So we have in first factory we have 30 men and 25 women. In factory second we are having 25 men and 31 women, and in factory third we are having 27 men and 26 women. So we can represent this data in a matrix form such as, without using the ones first, second, third and men and women, we can write it as directly 30, 25, 27, 25, 31 and 26 in a rectangular box. So this is the formation of matrix. And as you know, here we have the number of rows and here we have number of columns. So the order of this matrix is 3 by 2 because in this we have total 3 row and 2 column. Okay, and we can also say that 30, 25, 27, 25, 31, 26 are the elements of a matrix. Okay, so now we come to our main topic, that is the types of matrix. So first thing I want to tell you that there are total 7 types of matrix. First is column matrix. Second is the row matrix. Third is the square matrix. Fourth is the diagonal matrix. Next, fifth is scalar matrix. Sixth is identity matrix. And last one, seventh, is zero matrix. So here we have total 7 matrices. Okay. So now we are going to study all those matrices one by one. So first one was column matrix. Okay. First we take column matrix. So as the name suggests, a matrix is said to be a column matrix if it has only one column. So as you know, column can be represented by a vertical line. So we take an example, A is equals to 0, root 3, 1 and 1 by 2. So if a matrix is represented by only one column, so we can say this is a column matrix. Okay, and when we talk about the order of this matrix, that we have taken a example, इसका अगर हम order पता करें, so n here n is equals to 1 and m is equals to 1 2 3 4. Here we have total 4 row and 1 column. So when a matrix is having a column only, then we can say this is a column matrix. Okay, and the order of this matrix is 4 by 1. Okay, now we have our second matrix, that is row matrix. So as the name suggests, if a matrix is having only one row, then we can say this is a row matrix. So we take an example as minus 1 by 2, root 5, 2 and 3. So this is only here we have only one row, so we can say this is a row matrix. Now we talk about square matrix. Our third part is square matrix. So as the name suggests, a matrix in which the number of rows are equal to the number of columns, it is said to be a square matrix. When, as you know, that M is represented by a column and N is represented by a row. So when in a matrix M is equals to N, so we can say that is a square matrix. So here I am showing you an example of square matrix, that is A can be represented by 3, 3 by 2, any element we can take, 4, and here we have -1, 0, 3 root 2, 1, 3 and -1. So here you can see in this example there are total 3 number of rows and 3 number of columns. So here we have M equals to N. So this is a square matrix. Now we move to our next type, that is the diagonal matrix. The fourth part is diagonal matrix. So when we talk about a diagonal matrix, in a square matrix, we can say it is a diagonal if its all known diagonal element are 0. ठीक है, किसी भी मैट्रिक्स को, किसी भी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स को हम डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स कब बोलेंगे, जब इसके नॉन डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स 0 के इक्वल होंगे. दैट मीन्स वी टेक अ एग्जाम्पल हियर, इट इज A equals to, we will have 4. Here we have only one element, so it can be say that this is a diagonal matrix. Okay, when we take B, another matrix such as -1, 0 and 0 and 2. So here we have -1 and 2. Then this is a diagonal matrix. Another example we can say that C is equals to -1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0 and 3. Here you can say the diagonal and non-zero elements are 0. ठीक है, non-diagonal elements are 0 in C, then this is also a diagonal matrix. किसी भी matrix के अंदर अगर non-diagonal element अगर 0 होते हैं, that means वो क्या होता है, diagonal matrix होता है. यहाँ आप देखें ये diagonal के अंदर elements आ रहे हैं बस, बाकी सब क्या है, 0. So this is a diagonal matrix. Okay, now we move to our next matrix, that is scalar matrix. The fifth one is scalar matrix. So if in any matrix, if its diagonal elements are equal to 0, okay, when we have or we can say when the diagonal elements are equal, like if we are having a matrix A equals to √3, 0, 0, 0, √3, 0 and 0, 0, √3. So you can see here in this example that diagonals elements are equal. So if this kind of matrix shown to you, then this is an example of scalar matrix. ओके, स्केलर मैट्रिक्स क्या होता है, जिसके डायगोनल एलिमेंट्स नॉन जीरो होते हैं, दैट आर नोन एज स्केलर मैट्रिक्स. नाउ वी हैव आवर सिक्स टाइप ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, दैट इज आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स. So identity matrix represented by when in a square matrix all the diagonal elements are 1. जब हम स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स की बात करते हैं और जो हमारे डायगोनल है लाइक 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1, the diagonal elements are equal to 1, then this is known as identity matrix. And the last one is seventh one, zero matrix. A matrix is said to be a zero matrix or null matrix if all its elements are 0. If we are having a matrix A equals to 0, 0, 0, all the 3 rows and all the 3 columns are 0, then this is known as zero matrix. Okay, now we take another topic, that is equality of matrix. Equality का क्या meaning होता है? Here we compare two matrices. If we are having A equals to Aij, okay, and we have B equals to Bij. As you know, I means the row element, J means the component column element. Okay, so when we have A equals to Aij and B equals to Bij, This topic is equality of matrix. I'm writing here equality of matrices. So if A equals to Aij and B equals to Bij, so we can say that both the matrices are equal if they are of same order, उनका order same होना चाहिए. And second thing is each element of A is equal to the corresponding element of B. If we are having A equals to 2, 3, 0, 1, then if B is a equality matrix, then B should be equal to 2, 3, 0, 1. It means that order should be same and the element value is also same. The element of every element, each and every element of A should be equal to each and every element of B. Then this is known as the equality of matrix. Okay, so वी हैव स्टडी दैट इक्वलिटी ऑफ मैट्रिक्स, बट ये यहाँ कौन सी जगह पे यूज़ करेंगे. सपोज वी आर हैविंग टू मैट्रिक्स जिसमें एक का तो पूरा वैल्यू आपको गिवन होगा एंड सेकंड में अगर आपको वैल्यूज़ ना देकर एक्स वाई जेड वेरिएबल्स दे रखे होंगे तो यू कैन ईजिली यूजिंग दिस बाय यूजिंग दिस प्रॉपर्टी इक्वलिटी ऑफ मैट्रिक्स यू कैन ईजिली फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स वाई एंड जे. Suppose we take an example. If we are having A equals to, question number 1 we are taking A equals to 2, 3, 4. Here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So suppose we are having B equals to x 3, 4, 1 y 3 and 4, 5 z. And आपको question में given है that A and B are the equal matrix. ठीक है, if both are equal that means x will be equal to होगा 2. Okay, y will be equal to होगा also 2 and z should be equal to होगा 6. If both matrices are equal, then we have x equals to 2, y equals to 2 and z equals to 6. कैसे मिला हमें? जब हमने a और b को compare किया. Okay, that's it. Thank you everyone.